We are the Branding Distillery, a creative London-based brand agency that specialises in the creation, implementation and consistent support for every aspect of your brand. We offer consultancy that helps align the correct mindset and strategy, along with visual elements and marketing that suit your audience. We have a commitment to a unique, professional and handheld approach with our clients, which helps us tailor a brand to suit your products or services whilst creating a harmony with your audience. Our team are here to make your branding journey with us highly insightful, whilst remaining creative and effective at the same time. We would love the opportunity to work with you on your next branding or marketing journey.